Hey guys! I hope all is well. My name is Akaya. In this video, I'll be introducing your new lock style. When I say this is a great style, quick and easy style, you'll be needing some rubber bands, a brush. I love to use a brush so I can be able to get that slick back. And in my bottle, I have water, oil, and the type of oil that I have is avocado oil, and I have some peppermint essential oil. Guys, I love peppermint essential oil. It smells so good. So good. So I'm telling you guys, get you a nice little water bottle, get whatever type of essential oil that you like, and make sure you mist your hair daily. To me, doing this make my hair so more pliable, especially when I am trying to style it or just trying to do things with it, or it also cut back on the frizz. I know I heard a lot of people saying, oh my God, you should not use water every day. Whatever. I have been, and you see how long my hair is. And like I told you guys, I cut my hair. So that has nothing to do with it. And when I say it makes it more pliable, more soft, it makes products even more better to go on. So yes, use your water. And this, I'm just sectioning it off the front of my hair. I decided I want to be able to have some something I wasn't sure at the time what I was going to do with the front. So if you don't want to, you really actually don't have to section off the front. But to me, it's kind of much easier if you're trying to do a French braid or if you want something done to the front of your head. But anyway, let me show you guys what I'm going to do is I am going to be sectioning off right down the middle. And like I told you guys, make sure you put some water because it makes it more easier to move and pliable in the braid. So I'm going to go ahead and get that sectioned off. This in a ponytail. And I like to use these pony bands. And what I'm going to go ahead and do is put it in a nice pony band. Guys, I forgot to tell you soon I will be having classes. I actually start in February the 15th. Different classes from how to care for your hair to how to braid your hair. And I'll be doing kids as well as boys, men, whoever trying to learn how to be able to care for their hair, their locks, anything. I can most definitely help you. It is a 2.5 hour course. I will show you how to be able to care for your hair, but I'll give you more information on that. Stay tuned. Okay, so again, we're going to go ahead and split that. Okay, and we're going to work on this side first. So if you're in the Atlanta area and you are trying to learn how to care for your locks, you got some new locks, all that good stuff, I am your girl. Okay, so let's go ahead. And I want it kind of back a little bit. And I got this style inspo from Spirit Loves Beauty. I really like her little hair. And I like doing styles, y'all, depending. Sometimes it's without a retwist or with a retwist. So you just kind of give a slick back. That also, that water also help you do a slick back. So, okay, I'm gonna make sure I'm directly in the middle. Okay, so guys, all I'm about to do is, I'm gonna do this without a mirror. Just kind of scoot your hair over because I want the braids to kind of be over. So if you want the braids to be over, you just kind of scoot your hair over a little bit. Okay, guys, you know what I'm gonna do. All right. And I'm doing it loose, y'all, because like I told you, I get headaches fast. And we just doing it real nice and loose. Nice and loose, y'all. I'm not trying to get no headaches. I don't know about you, y'all, but when I say I get headaches fast, like, I don't know, it's even before I even started locks. Any tension cause headaches. So like what I like to do now, and I'm gonna just make sure it's equal enough locks. Okay. And if you got any scragglies that came out, we'll fix that later. And again, like I said, guys, water makes your hair more pliable. So like people be like, oh my God, you shouldn't use water. Oh, I love water. Love it. If I didn't use water, it would be hard for my hair to even manage. Like I said, we got some scragglies, but it's okay. So if you wanted to, guys, you could have put your little pony about right here, or you can put it down here. We're gonna go ahead and put it down here. Okay. And again, like I said, I like this style because you do not have to retwist your hair. Okay, so guys, look, you see the scragglies? We'll just put them in there, make them nice and pretty. That's all. Nothing to it but to do it. Fix it up how you want it. And there we go. We got one braid down. And if you want, you can go higher, lower, whatever you want. That's the beauty of these styles. Okay, so we got one. Got that braid, got that braid. So let's do this side. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. And like I said, guys, I like to spray it down. Makes it much easier and pliable. And then I'm gonna scoot it over because like I said, guys, I want it to kind of be over a little bit. And what I like to do, guys, too, make sure you get those kitchens back there because she be kitchen. So I always make sure I brush those. And that's why a lot of people's like, oh my God, you brush your locks. It's hair. Like all I do is brush it just like I would my hair. And when I say it take away the fuzzies, it take away the fuzzies. I love brushing. Okay? And you would do that like when you get in your lock game for a while. Like you wouldn't do that if you just had some starter locks. Okay, so look guys, we're gonna start it up. Start from the top. And just pick hair up slowly as you go. Pick locks up slowly as you go. And ensuring that you kind of going this way. Because remember guys, you want to keep it kind of higher, okay? And you're grabbing the hand, hopefully I'm getting it on camera. And just take your time. And remember, if you have any scraggles, don't worry about it right now. We're gonna fix it in a minute. Well, there's no mirror for y'all because I love y'all. And like I said, guys, I want to do if you want to take a class, you want to learn how to do your hair, how to do your locks, how to do any style. I would love to teach you. Most definitely. Okay, see, we left one out, so we go fix that. Let's go ahead and put it in one here. We're gonna start it back over again because you gotta put all of them in. And that's what happens when you're not looking in the mirror. But it's all right. Let's take her down. I'm glad you got to see that because we're gonna take it down. You really don't have to take the whole thing down, but it was way up there. I could have stitched it in, but I'm glad that's a learning curve. You can always start over, and you want to kind of start where you started the last one. So start your braid. And if you don't know how to braid, um, like I said, take a class. I would love to teach you. Mhm. And I don't know how people think that locks is so much harder than hair. You just care for like you would your regular hair. That's all it is. I'm telling you guys. So we'll come around. I always like to close my eyes, y'all. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. But not too tight that you hurting your scalp. Like I said, we keep it tension low, but when you're doing braids, you have to have some type of tension, okay? So look, we got that. What we gonna do now, y'all? Add a little bit of water, because like I told you, that makes it pliable and it makes it smell good. My water has um, avocado oil in it, water, and a peppermint essential oil. So I'm just braiding it down, y'all. Braiding it down. And if you didn't want to leave you no bangs, you didn't have to. But I wanted bangs. Sometimes I feel like my forehead be so big and style. I always had a big forehead though, even when I was young. But I'm still cute. Okay, so look y'all. So we got the braid. And what we're gonna do, we'll just look at the other one. Let's see what the other one is. And y'all see I left some of them out. Look at all those. What would you do? What would you do if you left all these out? I'm gonna go in and fix it, but not on camera. But that's good that you get to see. So make sure you get all your ones in. So there we go, yeah. Okay. And this is how it's supposed to look minus this hair out. We gonna put this hair back in. So don't worry, you just do the same thing. And if this happened, y'all, I probably again would just do it over. And this is how you get the braids out. Just take your finger and take the braids out. It's super easy, not hard at all because like I told you, we're not using a bunch of tension. Okay. I like to close my eyes. And again, guys, we gotta make sure we're picking up all this hair. So I'm gonna put this hair over here so it won't get in the other hair. I'm gonna spray it a little bit more. And now I'm not gonna talk. I'm just gonna take my time and look. That's what I need to do. Okay, all I'm doing, y'all, is just a braid. That's all. Making sure I pick up Call it a bed. This time, yikes. Okay, you know what I do? Let's grab it. Because it's easier for me, I guess, because I'm left-handed, to grab it and start braiding like this. Not so tight, y'all. Don't be tight. And like I told you, go ahead and put your little bit of water. And that's a quick and easy style, y'all. That's how easy that was. And I just wanted to kind of include the when the little hair is coming out. You see how the hair is coming out, or if you have to redo it, it's okay. It is okay. And I like to use a pony bands, because you don't gotta worry about your locks getting broke off or hair or anything. And I'm gonna take this, like I said, we're gonna take that little piece that was sticking out and just tuck it in. That's all it is about locks, tucking and rolling. Gotta keep that in. Cute, 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 cute. Look at that. Hopefully you can see that. Cute, cute, cute. Cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the front. Okay, we already got our braid. If I wanted to, I can actually keep this braid. See, look. I can do this. And I keep that. Hold on, let's take this out. We're gonna take it out. Because this was just a section at all. And like I said, if you want to, you didn't even have to leave no hair out. You could have put all this in. So really, guys, look, I can do all kind of things. I can, if I wanted to, I could just leave that out and have my two braids. Or, I think I'm gonna do something cute. Hold on, watch that. I'm gonna take these bangs and we'll just braid. I'm gonna start from the top and I'm gonna connect it with the other braid. I'm gonna do it loose. I'm doing 3 strand loose braid. And then you just tuck. We always roll tuck. You always tucking stuff when it comes to lock. Just roll tuck. And there we have it, y'all. Cute, cute, cute. And I'll wear some long earrings too. Let me know if that helped you guys.